Those are great though. They're like really complicated.
The face kind of looks like a guy though.
I figured out video games.
When I was ordering my Halloween costume, it was like anime-wise, like Vampire Night, and it was like, so you might want to order a size bigger because girls in the anime are naturally built like boys. And I was like,
It's specifically an eye contest.
like some people just put the boobs too big, and some don't give enough.
It's one of the better reasons.
Yeah.
Zen, how do I send this? Zen.
I got most of my crap this year from racing companies for like
Zen too.
20% cheaper than I would normally.
Yeah!
Motorcycle dealers.
I did it! I was a retard while doing it, but I did it.
Well, my parents.
It sounds incredibly wrong.
You just admit that you're a retard too.
I know where that is.
Misa, Misa.
Let's try.
Misa, my name.
Listening out to the
She
conversation.
looks so in despair.
No, I poked you as if I'm starting a conversation with you, so no.
Chibi Dr. Stein.
They strike on your part. No, we will not be starting.
Aww. I ruined something?
I'm taking a video of
Oh,
it.
my bad.
No, you didn't ruin anything.
Because things like sounds naturally come out of my body that
Yeah.
I cannot control.
Aww. That's exactly why I'm recording this.
We don't have to have our big books for
I tried sending one, it was like, busy, waiting. Damn it, now you do it.
Oh yeah.
Sean, say peekaboo.
Yeah.
We're not going to be using our big books.
Send, damn it.
I'm really grabbing it. Well, I have to go to my locker anyways for after third period, or I should go before.
Of her reactions.
Woo.
Oh my gosh, I have tried to sit first.
I think for long periods of time.
Shut up!
Did you know in Naruto they're having a fourth Shinobi War?
There's my new shirt.
I didn't know that until yesterday. I felt so bad. I was like,
You made a Steelers fan.
you look like you just fell down steps, not got up one.
He goes, Mom, tell me what my shirt says. I'm like, why can't you tell me?
That looks so pretty.
Because he knew that he'd come in today and then get
Twins! Oh, I heard.
So yeah, Mom said,
My dad takes out the shirt, and his sister but not under any circumstances.
She's kissing him like a whore.
Who?
She's like pretty with just sticking in her butt and whatnot.
Who? Oh.
She's kissing him like a whore. I mean, she's like sticking her butt out, and the dress is very short. I mean, the skirt, I mean, whatever it's called.
It's a
I don't
skirt.
wear them. Aww, Shikamaru.
I love Shikamaru.
Dark.
Oh no.
Oh my god. I don't like your hair.
You have a piece of hair just sticking out.
I do?
I'm talking to her.
Ow! You're like nail dug into my cranium.
I hope you were recording that. I was.
Because like she was going through my pictures on my pictures on my phone and she was flipping out.
Dude, you're like making my back like really warm.
Shot the cat.
Don't do that. I'm allowed to do that if I want to.
Stop! Stop it! Oh my god!
Sexual harassment.
Sexual harassment. She slapped my inner thigh. She did. Did it.
Stop!
If you poke her right on the spine, she starts to freak out.
Stop, sperm.
What? Stop sperm, it's a blowjob. Go back, it's a blowjob.
Me and you, your heart beats next to mine.
we could just give him money.
It's lyrics.
Justin! Ow, my mouth just had a spasm. It was like
Sexy.
Peter Parker picked Peter Parker.
Where'd Peter Parker?
Peter Parker Spider-Man.
Peter picked a pack of pickled
Peter
peppers.
Piper picked a pack of pickled
Oh.
peppers. A pack of Peter Parker is married to?
Was. That was when I first.
Go out with him.
I know. I made a Peter Parker account as a joke.
I get it. You made the Peter Parker account.